Hi, this is Casey with Holiday Automotive. Today we're taking a look at a Summit White 2016 Chevrolet Cruze Limited LT, stock number A6953. This is in excellent shape. I do not see any noticeable scratches. There is an alloy rim that is wrapped in a 16-inch Firestone tire. Inside there's a black top upholstery, and that's in fantastic condition. There is seating for 2 in the front row, and you have seating for 3 in the second row, making this a 5-passenger Cruze. We'll take a quick look down the passenger side. There is keyless entry for the trunk. You've also got a backup camera here. And the reason that I'm showing you this Chevrolet today is because I would like for you to see all angles of this before you schedule your test drive or before we ship this out to you. On the driver's side door, you have your usual power amenities. There are power lumbar adjustments. Stepping inside, on the left of the steering wheel, there are cruise control buttons. On the right-hand side, you have audio controls. This is equipped with OnStar. You've got a great touchscreen display here, which is where your backup camera will show. There is a CD player along with an AM/FM radio. Underneath of that, you have your climate controls. This is a 6-speed automatic transmission. Your engine is a 1.4-liter 4-cylinder engine. You're going to get great gas mileage here. For highway mileage, you're looking at around 38 miles per gallon. If you'd like to get more information on this Cruze or to schedule your test drive, visit us at holidayautomotive.com, where you'll also receive a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. Again, that's holidayautomotive.com. My name is Casey, and thanks for watching.